Hey all, welcome back to Loopsy Lola. In today's video, I'm going to show you the double crochet stitch. Make sure you've got your yarn ready and your hook, and we're gonna get started soon. But first, if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you keep getting my content, and share it with your friends so maybe they can start learning how to crochet too. All right, let's get started. Okay, so for this, I am using I Love This yarn in Sea Blue, and it calls for an eye hook. So that's what I am using. Feel free to use whatever your yarn calls for or whatever you're comfortable using. I've started this swatch with obviously my foundation chain of 18, and then I skipped 3 and went back in and did double crochets, so there are 15 double crochets across. I'm on the 3rd row, but that's just to give you an idea of what the double crochet stitch looks like. Okay, so if you want to get ready and get your chain on and then get ready to go into one of the stitches, we will start. All right. So you have your work like this. You're going to yarn over before you go into any stitch. Yarn over once. Then you are going to go into the next stitch like so. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have it, your first double crochet. So now you're going to move on to your next double crochet. So yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Here's your second double crochet. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's move on to the next one. Yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, pull back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, back through the stitch, 3 loops on, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Almost there. Yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to our last one, and I'll just do this one without talking. I lied, it wasn't my last one. I have one more. If I can get into it. Oh goodness. Okay, so there you have it. You just finished your first row of double crochet. So now I have 3 rows of double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And as if you pull it apart, you can obviously distinctly tell the double crochets. When I build up, I mean, you'll follow the pattern, but typically you chain 3 on double crochet rows to add the height. So if I was going on to like continue a dish rag or something, I would chain 1, 2, 3, turn my work, yarn over, and turn my work, yarn over, and then go right back into that last stitch we just made in the row before. By yarning over and pulling through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you can go on to your next row of double crochet. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video and now you know how to do the double crochet stitch. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'm always pretty responsive and I enjoy talking to you back and forth. Make sure you like the video, you're subscribed to my channel, and share it with your friends so maybe they can start learning how to crochet too. We'll see you next time on Loopsy Lola.